Hey, I am Lauren, a modern day hypnotist, and I'm here to demystify and simplify and give you the tools and equations so that you can better hypnotize yourself, because you are already hypnotizing yourself. And it's just this word that has a lot of mystery and stigma and confusion. And so let's demystify it. The guy that made this word, hypnosis, was studying covertly under Franz Mesmer, who the word mesmerize is coined from. And Mesmer really wanted to popularize this word animal magnetism, that everything has its own electrical current and there's a magneticness of things that you are drawn or repelled by or from or to. So hypnosis was the word that James Braid, a physician, coined, and then soon after wanted to change this word to monoideism. But a lot of physicians at the time chose to use that word hypnosis because Mesmer's techniques, although effective for helping people, even curing people, thousands of people, of terminal ailments, was just a little bit unconventional, weird dress, weird music. He was actually the first spirit-based Western physician. Not perhaps the only spirit-based, but one of those of big sort of founding fathers of what we now know as modern hypnotism. So monoideism means singular fixation of attention, right? Mono means one. And so hypnosis isn't about your eyes having to be closed or you having to be in a depth of some sort of sleep state. That's at first what James Braid thought, which is why hypnosis, which is named after Hypnos, the Greek god of sleep, was chosen, right? Hypnosis. But then when James Braid wanted to change this to monoideism, it's because he realized that it's just the fixation, whether your eyes are opened or they're closed, or it's your third eye, your imagination, which is fixated literally or emotionally, just imaginatively connected, fixated on that change, that what is coming next. And you know, if you've attended one of my workshops, or if you want to come to one of these free workshops that I do every week to help you understand those equations of self-applying hypnosis, or getting the self-applied hypnosis toolkit, that as you fixate, you want to associate into, you want to resource allocate, add into, you want to experience now, not coming later. You want to be experiencing that state now of your success or your peace or your confidence or your achievement of anything. Hypnosis has the potential for anything that you want to experience or change in your brain or body. Okay, that is a big claim. So let me disclose, I am not offering medical opinion or advice. I'm not even medically trained as a practitioner, but I am masterfully trained, and I continue to study and train and teach others about these techniques and tools and the history and application of hypnosis, ancient and modern hypnosis, because I'm an ambassador for Modern Day Hypnosis. I am Lauren Hall, and I look forward to sharing more tips soon. Enjoy your day. Bye.